I'm here to read our 5-star writing book to you. So in our class, we talked about earning a star for good writing. So I'm just reminding you, when you're answering the writing prompt, we're using a complete sentence. So we answer it, we think of our sentence, and then we write it. Our first word that we write should always be uppercase, no matter what it is. The next way you can earn a star is to have finger spaces between the words, or you could lay down a crayon. Spaces between our words. The next star is when we get to a word we don't know, we're going to stretch it out and just write the sounds we hear. So if an adult is helping you, they shouldn't just be telling you the letters that it is. Stretch out and write the sounds you hear in a word. The next one is reminding us to put a punctuation mark at the end. So a period, a question mark, or an exclamation mark at the end of every sentence. And you earn a star for writing neatly and staying on the lines. The only letter that should be uppercase is the first letter. The rest should be lowercase. And that was our last one. Remember to do all 5 things when we're doing our kid writing. We're answering the prompt and writing the sounds we hear in the word, unless it's a sight word and we already know how to spell it. All right, have fun writing. Bye, friends.